What do you think when you hear the phrase penny stocks? Perhaps rags to riches tales of investors such as Jordan Belfort and Tyler Durden. I mean, we've all seen the YouTube ads of young investors on private jets eating caviar, claiming to have found the secret source of success. But in reality, penny stocks are simply representations of small companies, some of which will no doubt grow into big companies. With the right investment at the right time, it is possible to make a good deal of money from penny stocks, but be aware, the probability is low. When investing, be sure to look for the telltale signs of fraud, such as artificial inflation of stocks, and really take the time to learn extensively about the company and industry you are delving into. Now all of the warnings are out the way, let's get into it. These are the 8 best penny stocks to buy right now. First, we'll talk about the stocks that have the greatest potential moving into 2021. Bionanogenomics, ticker BNGO, is a medical technology company specializing in genome analysis and DNA sequencing. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it is. The company have developed their very own system for analysis called Sapphire, which builds a clearer picture of the genome than any other technology out there right now. Initial sales of the system were low due to the high cost of technology, but a new tiered sales strategy and recent supplier accreditation could well be the catalyst for many orders in 2021. Next up is Guardian Health Sciences, ticker GHSI. The company specializes in ocular nutrition products and medical diagnostic tech and saw a whopping increase of 356% in revenue from Q2 last year. The increase came as a result of a sale of an immune formula to a Malaysian company. Health products in general for the company saw a 26% rise, while medical device sales fell quite drastically. But don't fear, the primary reason for this was the closure of doctors' offices across the country, so there's no doubt these figures will bounce back in 2021. The final stock with great potential moving into 2021 is a company by the name of VISL Technologies, ticker VISL. 2020 has prompted a large increase in consumption of visual media, because what better to do in a pandemic than sit back and watch? VISL are in a great position as they are manufacturers of video production equipment with contracts not just for the private sector but for the government too. A diverse portfolio, future-proofed business model and recent joining of Grass Valley Technology Alliance makes this penny stock as hot as they come. If you want to trade penny or any other stocks online with zero commissions and no deposit minimums, then Webull is the platform for you. They offer a number of trading options, account types, and in-depth stock analysis tools to help you become a better investor. Check out the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to claim your free stocks when you sign up. Now let's get into the most popular penny stocks on the market. Some of these names you might already know. First, we have Tough Built Industries, ticker TBLT. If you're anything like me, a regular Amazon overuser, then you may have seen this company when looking for tools online. In fact, the company sold $1.3 million worth of tools on its American and Canadian Amazon storefronts. They've now branched out into Rona.com, a Canadian construction seller, where they listed 64 new products. That'll have the big boss at Black & Decker quaking in his work boots for sure. They exceeded all revenue expectations by $840,000, netting a cool $6.86 million, a 44% increase year on year. The company is confident that the new market opportunity will bring greater brand awareness and ultimately big growth to the company in the coming years. Next up is Allied Esports Entertainment, ticker AESE. Another winner as a result of the pandemic, the holding company saw big growth in the use of their services, and with the launching of their new 24/7 streaming platform, it is set to continue. When physical venues begin to reopen next year, the company will be looking to put on a host of live events, as well as maintaining their online presence. A very exciting prospect indeed. The final popular penny stock is Naked Brand Group Limited, ticker NAKD. Although experiencing quite a fall from grace over the last few years, new management and a restructuring of their business model could present a good opportunity for investors. The company is now focusing more on wholesale and direct-to-consumer channels, with management saying, "We are better positioned to seize immediate-term growth opportunities than at any time in our recent history." If they maintain their strong design principles, this could be a very, very clever distressed asset play. But what are the best of the best? The cream of the crop when it comes to penny stocks, I hear you cry. Well, we think an ongoing merger between two small oil companies could really fire up investors. Camber Energy Inc., ticker CEI, and its subsidiary to be Viking Energy Group, ticker VKIN, have amassed a sizable portfolio of sites in Texas, the Gulf states and Kansas. Viking in particular have demonstrated a talent for buying distressed oil and making long-term gains. Evidence of this happening has appeared in the latest company figures, where they made a net loss of $17.6 million compared to a profit of $1.29 million the year before. This could well be the start of a big rebound for the conglomerate, so it's definitely one stock to consider. And finally, we have Rolls-Royce Holdings, ticker RYCEY. This company doesn't need much of an introduction. As well as their luxury cars, Rolls-Royce are one of the biggest manufacturers of aircraft engines in the world. Although the pandemic grounded flights globally and severely impacted business, we expect to see a big bounce back in the coming years for the company. As flights and airlines begin to return to normality, this could be a great time to jump on the back of the flying lady herself. So there you have it, our 8 best penny stocks to buy right now. Although we expect high levels of market volatility in the coming months, we think that these penny stocks could really take off in 2021. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click the little bell to receive notifications. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next one.